Hey there, a bustling London street, teeming with people. Voiceover, ever wondered where in the world Monzo, that vibrant, digital-first bank, is most popular? Let's dive into the data and find out. Hook. Cut to a montage of people around the world using Monzo on their smartphones. Voiceover, Monzo has taken the banking world by storm, offering a fresh, convenient, and fee-free way to manage money. But which country has truly embraced this digital revolution? Building context. A map of the world appears, with pins indicating Monzo's presence. Voiceover, Monzo started its journey in the UK, but its appeal has spread far and wide. Let's explore some key factors that contribute to its popularity. Factor 1. Digital adoption. Show a montage of people in different countries using smartphones and tablets. Voiceover, the rate of digital adoption plays a crucial role. Countries with high smartphone penetration and internet connectivity are more likely to embrace digital banking solutions. Factor 2. Financial literacy. Cut to a classroom scene where students are learning about personal finance. Voiceover, financial literacy is another important factor. Countries with a strong emphasis on financial education are more likely to have populations that are comfortable with new banking technologies. Factor 3. Regulatory environment. Show a montage of government officials and financial regulators. Voiceover, a supportive regulatory environment is essential for the growth of digital banks. Countries with flexible regulations and open banking initiatives can foster innovation and competition. Data analysis. Cut to a data visualization showing the distribution of Monzo users across different countries. Voiceover, now, let's crunch the numbers. Based on available data, which country takes the top spot? Revealing the answer. A countdown timer appears on screen. Voiceover, drumroll, please. The answer is revealed, the United Kingdom. Show a montage of people in the UK using Monzo. Voiceover, that's right. The UK, Monzo's home country, remains its largest market. This can be attributed to factors such as early adoption, strong digital infrastructure, and a favorable regulatory environment. Exploring other countries. Highlight other countries with significant Monzo user bases, such as Germany, France, and Spain. Voiceover, while the UK leads the way, Monzo has also gained traction in other European countries. These countries often share similar characteristics, including high levels of digital adoption and financial literacy. Future trends. Show a futuristic cityscape with people using advanced banking technologies. Voiceover, as technology continues to evolve, we can expect Monzo to expand its reach even further. Emerging markets with growing populations and increasing smartphone penetration represent exciting opportunities for the bank. Conclusion. Cut back to the bustling London street. Voiceover, so, there you have it. The UK reigns supreme when it comes to Monzo usage. However, the bank's global ambitions are far from over. As digital banking continues to reshape the financial landscape, we can expect Monzo to play a significant role in empowering people around the world. End. Voiceover, with that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of digital banking.